Hey guys, welcome to our SmartTrans update. And rather than writing things, we're gonna go the video format from now on. Why? Because we have a ton of things we want to share with you and show you as well. Thanks to all the great help we're receiving from the SAP Startup Program, from Intel and ST Microelectronics, we made a lot of progress lately. Let's check it out. So Agnes, one of the team's co-founder, just hopped in a car and drove 9 hours non-stop a few times to get to Valencia. Why Valencia? Well, pretty simple. We got selected to being part of Startup Sesame this year. Startup Sesame is a really cool organization. You should check them out on the site. And more importantly, we took the opportunity of going to the Startup Sesame Summit to test SmartTrans. And Agnes got to learn a lot of things in terms of ergonomics, UX to human interface, and of course improving our algorithm.
I am in the south of France. So, with my car, I have a camera, I have a sensor, I have wait a minute, the mobile app.
Then right as Valencia was over, it was time to head out to Lyon for the CEDO conference, where we had the opportunity to be part of the startup transportation zone and showcase what SmartTrans can do. We get to meet lots of interesting people, not just in transportation, but also in fields we would not have thought about, including construction. Who knew cranes could be so complex nowadays? But apparently SmartTrans could help crane operators. So we have lots of opportunities we're going to follow. Then from Lyon, we made it down to Grenoble, so that's many more miles driven, to go back and meet our friends at La Casemate, where we got to print the few vision kits, the actual boards, that are being shipped out to the US for further testing. Yes, the vision kit is hitting the road and we're pretty excited about this. And of course now we got to use one of our own kit as we went from Grenoble to Bordeaux. As you can tell, we're spending a lot of time on the road, so it's not just others who are giving us feedback about stuff fatigue and SmartTrans, it's also us. And that's a wrap. So now you may be wondering what you can do. There are a few things and a few ways you can help us. If you want to get your own kit, make sure you get in touch with us, because now we're starting to push things and we may be able to get you some devices out. And second, we've started a round of funding, so if you want to be part of it, get a hold of me or Bill and we'll be happy to send you all the information you need.